Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. When you struggle with a problem, that's when you understand it. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Many things are improbable, only a few are impossible. Engineering is the closest thing to magic that exists in the world. People should pursue what they're passionate about. That will make them happier than pretty much anything else. What I'm trying to do is to maximize the probability of the future being better. I would like to die on Mars, just not on impact. For me, it was never about money, but solving problems for the future of humanity. I could either watch it happen or be a part of it. Constantly seek criticism. A well-thought-out critique of what you're doing is as valuable as gold. Starting and growing a business is as much about the innovation, drive, and determination of the people who do it as it is about the product they sell. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. Work like hell. I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100-hour weeks every week. This improves the odds of success. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 100-hour work weeks, then even if you're doing the same thing, you know that you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. Life is too short for long-term grudges. Most people can learn a lot more than they think they can. They sell themselves short without trying. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better and questioning yourself. With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. Focus on something that has high value to someone else. Be really rigorous in making that assessment, because natural human tendency is wishful thinking. So the challenge to entrepreneurs is telling what's the difference between really believing in your ideals and sticking to them as opposed to pursuing some unrealistic dream that doesn't actually have merit. Be very rigorous in your self-analysis, certainly being extremely tenacious, and just work like hell. Put in 80-100 hours every week. All these things improves the odds of success. The first step is to establish that something is possible. Then probability will occur. We need to figure out how to have the things we love and not destroy the world. You want to have a future where you're expecting things to be better, not one where you're expecting things to be worse. I read books and talked to people. I mean, that's kind of how one learns anything. There's lots of great books out there and lots of smart people. What most people know but don't realize they know is that the world is almost entirely solar-powered already. If the sun wasn't there, we'd be a frozen ice ball at 3 degrees Kelvin, and the sun powers the entire system of precipitation. The whole ecosystem is solar-powered.